I used to clean my pool myself. Now I just supervise like a manager who has no idea what's going on.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We're out here in beautiful Studio A once again today for something cool. Today we've got another pool cleaner to check out with you guys. And if you've got a pool, this might be one of the most useful upgrades you can make. This is the Spino E1 robotic pool cleaner. And what makes this thing really interesting is it's coming in at under $500, but it's claiming to deliver professional level cleaning and performance. Now we're talking triple motor power, smart navigation, wall climbing, and up to 210 minutes of runtime, all in a fully cordless design. So in this video, I'm going to put this thing to the test in my own pool, check out the suction power, and see how well it actually cleans. And then we're going to do a full battery drain test to see if it really lives up to that 3.5 hour runtime. Let's get into it. Joe, roll the open. Okay, it's time to break down what makes the Spino E1 stand out. First up, its power. This thing is running a triple brushless motor system, including a dedicated suction motor pushing up to 5,800 gallons per hour. That's some serious suction for something in this price range. And it's designed to pick up everything from leaves to dirt and sand to bugs, even fine debris all the way down to 180 microns. Next, let's talk about the coverage and the runtime. You're going to get a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, and that delivers up to 210 minutes of cleaning time, and it can handle pools up to 150 square meters. So whether your pool is small or on the larger side, this thing is built to cover it. Now let's talk about one of the most important features, navigation. The Spino E1 uses 17 high precision sensors with something called SmartArc navigation. Now this basically means it intelligently maps out your pool and adjusts direction after each pass to make sure it's getting full coverage. It doesn't just clean the floor either. It handles floors, walls, and your water line all in one cleaning cycle. Now operation is super simple. One touch start and 5 different cleaning modes. Those include the floor mode, the wall mode, the all mode, which is floors and walls. It does your walls first, then your floors. Eco mode, which is scheduled cleaning cycles, and max mode for full power suction. And you also get really convenient features like automatic waterline parking, so it comes up when it's done, a top load filter basket that's super easy to rinse out, it does quick water release in about 5 seconds, and the smart app to control the settings once it's out of the pool. And on top of that, it's built tough. It has an IPX8 waterproof rating, it is made of UV resistant materials, it's saltwater compatible up to 5,000 ppm, and overall on paper, this thing checks a lot of the boxes, especially at this price point. Now let's see how it actually performs. Alright, so my pool was pretty dirty before dropping in the Spino E1. We've got leaves, dirt, some sand built up, and in general just debris sitting at the bottom. Perfect test condition. So let's go ahead and drop it in. And just like that, it's off. And right away you can see it's starting to map out the pool and move in a structured pattern instead of just bouncing around randomly. Now I'm going to let this run for a little while and we'll come back and check the results. Now after letting it run, here is the after. And honestly, this is pretty impressive. The floor is completely cleaned up, debris is gone, and even along the walls you can see it's been scrubbing and climbing without issues. The only debris left in the pool was blown into the pool after the cleaning. It picked up everything from larger leaves down to fine dirt. And the best part? I didn't have to do anything. No hoses, no manual vacuuming, just drop it in and let it work. Now let's talk about battery life. The Spino E1 claims up to 210 minutes of runtime, which is about 3.5 hours, so I wanted to test that. I started this on a full charge and let it run continuously in my pool. Here's how it performed. It maintained strong suction throughout the cycle with no noticeable drop in performance and continued full cleaning patterns the entire time. And after running it all the way down, it came very close to that advertised runtime. So in real-world use, you're getting more than enough battery life to fully clean most pools in a single session. And once it's done, one of my favorite features kicks in, so you don't have to go fishing around the pool to grab it. You just pull it out, open the top load filter, rinse that off, and you're ready for the next run. It's super simple. We're out by the pool now with the Spino E1 pool cleaner. You can see right here we already had the all-wheel drive Luba on there. Let's go ahead and see if we can add a device here. We'll go ahead and click add. Right away it was found. Now it's connecting via Bluetooth, and on the front here you can see the mode is set to floor already. Now it's giving us a little demo about how it can clean. It's showing you each mode here. So yeah guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea on how the app works right here. You can also do the same thing from the panel on top, but the app does some other things also that you can't do with the panel, like updating the firmware and things like that. Now real quick, I just wanted to talk about the one-touch start feature on the E1. It's a user-friendly feature that allows the robotic pool cleaner to begin its pre-selected cleaning cycle immediately with just one push of the button. And this simplifies operation to easily activate varied cleaning modes, including floor, wall, and waterline for efficient pool maintenance. So overall, here's my take on the Mammotion Spino E1. For under $500, you're getting a strong 5,800 gallon per hour suction power. You get a triple motor system. You get smart navigation with full pool coverage and up to 210 minutes of runtime. And a super easy cordless cleaning experience. It's a solid option if you want to save time and keep your pool clean without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. And if you guys want to check out one for yourself, I'm going to put a link in the description and you can grab your own. And before we wrap up, I just want to say a quick thank you. We just hit over 267,000 subscribers on Supercar Street Racing. Don't forget about Second Car Street Racing as well. Help me out by subscribing to my second channel. All of this is because of you guys. The support has been incredible and we've got a lot more coming your way. Don't worry about that. It's coming. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I got to get out of here. Joe, turn off the studio.